the 6 tray back to the street, scraping the bumper with the sounds for the summer that be thumping and hopping up the show on a Sunday with a fun day. Dips get tripping.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and this is IK,
International King.
Let's get straight into this She's Hot winner.
Our winner for this week is Jessica Simpson.
Congratulations, Miss Simpson.
Congratulations indeed. Jessica A. Simpson, she's an American icon,
That's
superstar, legendary television and film star, and a billionairist. But Dr. Ross, let me tell you a bit about her insights. Miss Simpson, first of all, she's our She's Hot winner for today, as you know, but her career started out at the ripe old age of 16.
Congratulations.
When she got signed to the Columbian Records label in 1997. She started out as a choir singer in the church. Now we don't know how long she was there for, but she was obviously making some cheddar on the side.
That's right.
That's for you, Miss Jessica Simpson. Let's make a film together.
And speaking of cheddar, we do have the Jamaican Rose and Gold hair products right here that would look fantastic on your kids' nappy hair. And we don't mean that in a disrespectful way, Miss Simpson. We mean that in a respectful way. Let's make money together. Let's do big things together.
Exactly.
Let's get into these topics.
Tell you what, I'm going to give you about 48 hours.
Lady Gaga, Demi Lovato, and JLO all performed at the inauguration today.
First of all, IK, I just want to say congratulations to President Biden and congratulations to Vice President Harris. We don't want to butcher your first name, so we're going to keep it as short and simple, but we want to say congratulations.
We want to keep the name as lovely as you.
Exactly.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Jason Statham. He has a new crime thriller coming out, and it's killing it on Netflix.
Keep making your money and keep doing you. Let's get into our next hot topic.
Kim Kardashian and Khloe flaunt toned midriffs in crop tops after running into each other at the gym.
Okay.
IK, sluts. On to our next hot topic.
Michael Harris's story ranges from death row records to freedom.
You know, I heard about this, IK. I really, there's an amount of people that are getting pardoned and people that are not getting pardoned. So we heard that Tiger King is not getting pardoned, and Trump said he's not going to pardon him. But Suge Knight's sons want him to get pardoned, and Snoop Dogg wants Michael Harry O to get pardoned, and he will be getting pardoned.
And Dr. Ross, I'm going to stop you right there. It's already over. Let's move into our next hot topic with Lucille Ball. Lucille Ball's daughter defends Nicole Kidman playing Lucy.
She can play whatever role she wants to play. It's Hollywood. Where the paper folds, whatever movie that they want you to be in, that's how it's going to play out.
And Dr. Ross, this is most likely a film that she wanted to be in herself. She may have produced it, for all we know.
That's true.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Erica Jane. She reportedly moves into a $1.5 million home amid Tom Griardi divorce.
You know, the only reason that you're really in the topics is because you're scandalous and you're hot and people know you from the Real Housewives of Atlanta. That's really where it catches my attention when people say Erica. So, Erica, enjoy your house, enjoy your living, and don't worry about your ex-husband because he's going to find some other chip somewhere else. Let's get into our next hot topic.
Ivanka Trump and Jared Kushner move out of D.C. and lease a luxury condo in Miami.
Boring. Let's get into our next hot topic, which I actually wanted to mention for a little bit. It looks like Floyd is being a player. Recently, there is this girl named Anna, and she is a stripper. She recently flashed a diamond ring on social media saying Floyd Mayweather proposed to her, and he said, no, this is not true. She's just a mistress.
Most likely, Dr. Ross, he was passing out some money on the side.
Yes, sir.
Our next hot topic is with Miss Heidi from America's Got Talent. She's back in the news again talking about her 4 nappy-headed kids. And we're not even going to talk about that. We're going to cut straight to the chase and talk about the Jamaican shampoo. Put some of this and give your kids the look, the luster, the locks. They'll look great in their hair.
You know it best.
This is exactly what I've been waiting for. This is exactly, I don't mean to sound like Cat Williams, but this is exactly what I've been waiting for.
So Lil Yachty was seen switching out all of his colored grills for some $80,000 veneers.
Get yourself some barbecue. We'll maybe put you on our next film. Who knows? Let's move into our next hot topic with another ratchet one, Cardi B. Cardi B wears the wildest gold armor boots to match her bold ensemble.
Yeah, freak. And for the Lil Yachty comment, I don't know, IK. I personally think you're better than Lil Yachty, and that we mean that respectfully.
Exactly, Dr. Ross. I feel better in every single way. But who knows, maybe with some advice from the king, you might be able to get close. Let's move into our next hot topic with The Bachelorette. Claire Crawley breaks silence after the JLO split. The truth is, I'm crushed.
Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna.
IK, when are you going to be on The Bachelor?
Only 4 more years. And to all the ladies out there, you know how they have 25 women on there right now, Dr. Ross?
Exactly.
They're gonna have to make that up to 150. Because with all the women, I'm gonna have to take them from the litter. And to all the mothers, I'll bring them back better than they were when they first met me. Because you already know the king.
International king.
That's for you, ladies. Let's move into our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, we have Teresa Giudice once again has been seen, spotted, being scandalous and trying to make Joe Giudice kick out the TV one more time. Allegedly, she is very, 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 very happy with her new boyfriend, and they were seen kissing along the streets of New York. What are your thoughts?
Dr. Ross, she's just clowning Joe Giudice now. She knows that he's deported and he can't do anything, so he's over there, as you said, kicking the TV in, scissor kicking the dog. But
right.
If you had take the advice from the Black King, or not the Black King, let me rephrase that, the International King, IK, because I have to remember that I'm global now. Take some advice from the International Book and you'll get it back. These were all of our hot topics, but Kylie Chen, that's for you.
And congratulations to Miss Jessica Simpson. Congratulations on your win for the She's Hot winner of this week.
And Dr. Ross and I, we also want to congratulate Miss Kamala Harris as well as Biden for the win.
Exactly.
And
President Biden
President
and
Biden.
Vice President Harris.
I almost forgot to say that. We have to speak better to our elders. These were all of our hot topics, but we out.